prayer for me each morning as they drive their kids to school. But I have seen the real world and I sure felt its pain. Found domestication is what drives a man insane. When you can't keep a wife and have hair on the man, booster seats don't look good and the trains ain't. But I still like to party, I still like running free. And them white picket fences look like Christmas balls to me. And my share of dry spells, I stood out at night. I fall flat on my face like I just myself blind. Been more a little ragged, but I've been spread a little thin. Must have broken, lost all sanity. And growing old comes natural on me. Growing up has been so tough on me. Brother's got a good wife, a mortgage and some kids. A sister went to college, heck I never did. Well, my shirt's unbuttoned and my jeans are way too tight. Got a 20-year-old girlfriend and she tells me I'm alright. She don't ever bug me about my drinking. I don't ever ask her what she's thinking. But I still like to party, I still like running free. Them white picket fences look like Christmas balls to me. I had my share of dry spells, I stood out in the rain. I fall flat on my face like I just myself blind. I've been worn a little ragged, I've been spread a little thin. Busted, broken, lost all sanity. Yeah, growing old comes natural on me. Growing up has been so tough on me. Go
Stay there for the picture.
Take a picture.
Kurt, 120.000 foto ancora.
I've been called a rambler 'cause I keep my
Kurt Endless Giga.
Yes, I think. Unlimited.
Unlimited edition.
I've been